Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the tool Porter's Diamond. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a market tool. It got the following characteristic. It is a graphic scheme in which their indicators are related at the micro level that influence decisively situations in a country, in a region, in a community, or even in a company and the level of competition. Evaluate which competitive advantage is more significant in a nation with respect to global competition. Allows the identification of a causal factors of competitive advantage of the industries on the basis of which course of actions are direct and decisions contribute its improvement and growth. Okay, so the Porter's Diamond is an extremely helpful tool because it will allow you to analyze a market before you take a decision. Many companies and many people always want to sell their products overseas. However, the majority of companies always want to go to Europe or want to go to the United States or Australia. However, it's very important to keep in mind that even though those countries pay more, you have to really validate the information and really analyze if it's the best situation for your company, for your product, or for your service. Before I start to explain this subject, if you like our channel, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot. Subscribe, give us a like, turn on the notification. Everything that you do, it really helps us a lot to keep growing and keep creating new and better content. So this is the main matrix of the diamond spur. As you can see, the shape is a diamond. In the center is the government or the institution that you want to analyze. It could be a country, it could be a city, it could be other companies. So the first thing is that you need to analyze the strategy, structure, and business rivalry. So the first thing that you need to know is if you want to go to a overseas market, you need to know which are the laws. You need to know if there's any entry barriers and exit, the regulation of activity business, and of course, association and structures. You need to know all of that. You need to research all of that information because especially with small companies, they want to say, yeah, I want to go to the United States. However, they have no idea how is the process to do that. So you have to research a lot. You have to keep looking different subjects and knowing what are the laws over there and which are all the regulations and activities. This point, it will take important amount of time and you need to be very sure of all the information that you are recollecting. After that, you need to know the state of demand of the product of your service in that country or in that area. Of course, you need to know the quantity and cost of the supplies. That is extremely important. You need to know all the quality of components and supplies. You need to know the specialization of the components and supplies. Because if you want to sell a product or a service and there is no market for that, that will be a big problem for your company. You need to know the related industries and support. It means with which industries I can make alliance, the support and associations for other different companies that perhaps could help me during the process and other industries. Finally, you need to know the conditions of the demand. It means which are your customer, what type of customers they are. Are you selling B2B? Are you selling B2C? What is the segmentation of the customers? What is the commercialization? You need to validate all of this before you know which is the best country, the best city, or the best market for your product or service. One of the biggest problems here is people make things with intuition, and that is a huge mistake. You need to recollect real real information, something that is very important, something that is well put together, so we can have all of that, and all the information that we collect is do it properly. As a conclusion, we can say that this resource allows to analyze both markets and the process of internationalization, allows project results, and in case you want to internationalize your company, analyze which market is the most convenient for you. So yeah, this tool is extremely helpful, but you need to have reliable information. If you don't do this properly, you will have big problems in the future. If you do this well, you could be very successful in your business. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video, you can find the link. Every Monday, we have a new video in Spanish, and every Thursday, a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.